name's Gareth Shaw from Ballyclare High School in Northern Ireland. This is my first time at the ISTE conference and I'm really looking forward to it.
Going global is actually a digital imperative.
Students love making things, and by bringing all the lessons from the maker movement into our classrooms, we're teaching our kids how to think. We're making them problem solvers.
As we've thought about the ways of supporting creative learning, we've started to describe it in terms of 4 words that begin with the letter P. We talk about projects, passion, peers, and play.
All these global educators coming together to share and to learn. We just can't thank Intel enough for letting us come, but this is a great opportunity for us to attend one of the greatest conferences in the U.S.